Yo, what's up, Evil Street Shark fam? So right now I'm with the SI. I just washed her up a bit. I definitely need to clean inside of the car from salt or whatever kind of dirt and debris inside the car. But this is how the car looks right now. But I definitely need to clean inside the car, underneath the wheel well, inside the interior. And I'm gonna check out, when I do that, I'm gonna check out the bags and stuff. But we'll see if I have enough time, because it's probably like already what? It's already 4:13, so 45 minutes until dark. But we will see as much as I can get done. We will see. But the car is looking great, of course. Just need to get rid of all of this grime and stuff. It's ridiculous. These new fender liners need to come in, man. These fenders are done. These fenders are done, guys. It's a wrap for these fenders, but well, not the fender liner, but car is looking great overall. Car looks nice, clean. I can't wait for the weather to get better and everything start coming along with more mods and new wheels. Really tired of the stock wheels and this weather in general, but we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But definitely the car looks great. But let's get out of here. Let's go home. What's going on, Evil Street Shark fam? I got the shirt on right here. You guys already know the Evil SI. So I know I haven't been posting in the last couple of days. There's been a lot of ups and downs and personal issues, and with my job also a lot of crazy stuff going on. And I told you guys at the end of the year I got an opportunity to, of course, I was blessed with another opportunity to further my career, and I decided to take it on. So I'm really happy about that. Of course, I'm still getting adjusted to it, so it's kind of like an up and down. So I'm seeing where it's going, because you know, in life, no risk, no reward. If there's something that you want, I talk about this all the time. If there's something that you guys want to achieve, there's a goal or something that you want to achieve, if there's a house, if there's your dream car, if there is something that you want, find your inner drive and go after it and make it happen. So in life, there's no risk, no reward. Every single day we take a risk. You wake up, you get in the car, you start the car up, you hop in the car, you go 70 miles an hour, anything can happen. The tire blow up, the car flip, something happens. Every day you take a risk. So if you're blessed with opportunity, of course you're not going to take all opportunities, but if you see an opportunity, take advantage of it. No risk, no reward. Every day, if you're looking for a new job and you need to get paid more, you take a risk from leaving your old job into a new job. So same thing, no risk, no reward. Take advantage of the opportunities. That's what's been going on. So that's what I've been doing. And of course, I'm still going to make daily videos on a regular and still grind and make it happen for you guys. But for the last couple of days, a lot of the parts have came in that I have been waiting for, so they're finally here. I got a bunch of stuff here that I'm gonna show you guys, but I wanted to let you guys know what's been going on, and I want to say thank you to everyone that's been showing love and support. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers that have joined the Evil Street Shark fam. I want to thank all the subscribers that's been there, the people that's been there from 500, 200 subscribers all the way to the end of last year to hitting 1K. I want to thank all of you guys for showing love and support. And the giveaway stuff should be here, I believe, this weekend, that I'm going to be sharing with you guys what the giveaway is for 2K, 2 giveaways. So when we hit 2K subscribers, I'm giving away 2 giveaways. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys, so I cannot wait. So here are some of the stuff that I have that I need to do, that I need to fix on the car, put on the car, new mods, etc, etc. So I don't know if I showed you guys this before, but I got a bunch of parts here. So I got the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, new belt for the car. You got the Honda OEM box. I know you guys gonna be like, damn, this dude gets OEM everything. Got to do it right. Do it right, guys. Gotta do it right. So I got a bunch of other stuff in here that I have to fix, washers and stuff that I gotta look into later down the road when the weather warms up and I have time. So belt, tensioner pulley, idler pulley needs to be changed. I guess the bearings are going bad. Normal for that to happen on the 8 gens SIs especially. And I have some, gains, right? So I have some oil here, an oil filter right here. So I got that oil. You guys already know I got that full synthetic 5W30. So I'm gonna make a video of installing the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, new belt. Also, I'm gonna make a video of changing your oil. So I know a lot of people are looking at getting new cars. People are looking at getting an SI. People want to learn how to change their own oil, work on their own car. So I am going to make a video of how to change the oils. I know there's probably more other videos of 8 gens with one, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a video anyway to share with you guys. So oil needs to be done. And I also want to talk to you guys about a story with some of these other parts. And I'm also going to make a video on how to drive a manual. So my brother got his learner's permit, and right now he's in the process of still learning how to drive a manual, and I'm going to share with you guys on how to drive a manual. So if you're new and you're looking to get a car, or like a Honda Civic Si as my car, of course it's good on gas, fun car to drive, and you want to learn, you don't know how to learn manual, I'm going to make a video on how to learn how to drive manual. If you want to know how to change the tire, these are going to be basic videos. You guys will be surprised about, a lot of people don't know how to change the tire, a lot of people don't know how to change their own oil, a lot of basic stuff. You guys are probably like, oh, some people don't even know how to change the bulb on their headlight. There's a lot of basic stuff, but a lot of people do not know. So I'm going to make a video of it and share with you guys some of like the basic stuff on how to change the tire. Of course, you're not going to change the tire on my car, the SI, because, you know, bag life, low lifestyle. So usually I go to my local Honda dealership, and I believe this person, I believe he helped me with getting the Mugen parts for the car. And I know it was like, I know when the Mugen parts that are from Japan, from the limited edition Mugen SI, they're made 1 out of 1,000 SIs in the United States. He hooked me up. He was like, damn, the price, these parts are, he's like, he already know the parts are expensive, but he's like, yo, I'm gonna help you out, don't worry about it. He said he's gonna help me out. And then from there, I usually always come by there, and he always bring my car, and he'd be like, dang, dude, your car looks sick, it looks amazing, I love what you did with your car, you take care of your car looks amazing. He's like, dang, man, your car looks clean, looks so good. So every time I go there, he takes care of me. What was some stuff that I bought? I know I bought the Mugen parts from there. Oil. I believe I bought some other stuff. Brake pads, yes, the OEM. So I bought OEM brake pads. I was gonna get aftermarket ones, but of course with aftermarket brake pads, you get a lot more dust and dust, or not dust, you get a lot of brake dust from the pads, from aftermarket pads. So I decided to stick with the OEM pads because it's honestly just really not that much. So I went to the dealership and the guy was there and I was like, hey, I need to get some fender liners, because I just mentioned, he went in the back, he looked it up, give me a quote. It took, dude, he brought a quote back. I don't even think it took him 5 minutes to bring a quote back. Brought a quote back with a price, saw the price. Of course, I did my research on, of course, whatever I'm looking for. Of course, always do your research if you're getting parts or something. Do your research ahead of time. 2 seconds, he's like, okay, here's the listed price, and here's the price I could do for you. Boom. Here's the original price, and here's the price that I could do for you. 2 seconds. I said, let's make it happen. 2 seconds. I looked at the price. 2 seconds. Let's make it happen. And he had all the parts in stock. So I got the front left, and damn, I know it's kind of big, but yeah, guys, OEM. I was gonna, of course, there's aftermarket ones that are way cheaper, but you also have to think that this is made out of plastic, and it is pretty, honestly, this OEM one is pretty thin. But imagine getting a non-OEM one. This is a solid black, and imagine the one on the car, it's like a dull gray, and it's crazy. So definitely I'd rather stick to OEM, because definitely you don't want these little holes rubbing out, or you hitting, if I actually go wider wheels or something, you don't want these little holes on the fender rubbing out. Well, here it is. These holes over here rubbing out. Here's an example of a hole. So you don't want these holes rubbing out right here. If I decided, of course, I'm gonna get wider wheels, but if I get wider wheels, and of course, with being lower, you cannot avoid everything. So with that being said, you don't want to get something super thin and you rub on it and you're back to square one again. So I decided to go with OEMs. Of course, I'm not gonna be, yeah, man, the car, I could go lower. No, I'm not gonna be that guy. So I got the fender liners, and I got this box right here. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys, if I can find a knife. Here it is, some scissors. So he hooked me up with this, and most of the stuff I'm doing to the car right now is, so it's winter time, and I said I was gonna basically fix whatever stuff that is going bad on the car, and basically refix or replace some parts that are, I guess, fading or going bad over time. Because more than likely, I'm gonna keep this car for a while. This car is not gonna go anything. Yes, I'm gonna be getting another car, but this car not going anywhere anytime soon. So basically, I needed to get a new rear view mirror. So that's what it is right here. So this is basically a brand new rear view mirror. So on my stock rear view mirror, which I'll probably show in the video somewhere, on my stock rear view mirror, at the bottom, I don't know where it's coming from or what the issue is, but I never had this on the outside mirrors. But for this inside mirror, at the bottom, you guys know, like, you come out of the shower, and if it's too fogged up or whatever, and water sits on the mirror, the mirror will start to fade and dissipate or whatever. So that's what's happening to my stock mirror, and I was like, dang, what is going on? Why is it doing that? So I decided to just go ahead and replace it just in case, and just get it out the way, because it's gonna, after a while, it's gonna keep fading, and it's just gonna, of course, you're not gonna be able to see your rearview mirror. So I decided to get a new one, and this dude hooked me up. So thank you to him. And I also told him about my headlights. So if you guys have been watching the vlog, the retrofitted headlights, the demon eyes are not working anymore. I think one side is not working. So I needed to redo my headlights, because my headlights are leaking. Well, they haven't been leaking, but they need to be redone, because they were leaking, and then all of the stuff that's painting in there is all messed up or whatever. So I'm gonna redo my headlights, and I said I was gonna do the OEM headlights, because the fitment on the eBay ones are not really that good. So I told him about, I'm gonna come back and get the headlights, and he said, let me know when you want to do the headlights and I'll take care of you. Come on, are you serious? Thank the Lord. So he told me he's gonna take care of me. So boom, about to make it happen. thank you. I'm really appreciative of this guy helping me out, and he's a fellow car enthusiast. He owns a 350Z, so I gotta say thank you for this guy. This guy really hooked your boy up. So I got a new rear view mirror. Of course, you could get aftermarket rear view mirrors. You can get the big bus ones where it's like a square that takes up the whole rear view mirror. I want to keep my stuff, I don't want to do nothing too crazy to my interior. I want to keep mine stock as possible, not changing up too much crazy stuff, keeping my car simple, not changing a lot of stuff. This beginning of the year has not been going as I had planned, but things are definitely looking up. I cannot wait. It was definitely a risk. Like I said to myself, no risk, no reward. And definitely learning from the risk right now, but I have a feeling the reward is gonna come. So that's it. I wanted to share that with you guys. If there is anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive. Is there anything, if there's a goal that you set for yourself, find your inner drive and go after it every single day. Peace, guys. See you tomorrow with another video. Daily videos are back on. Let's go. Shout out to the Evo Street Strike fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.